How to restart an Oppo phone without the power button. So your power button may be broken or whatever reason. First thing is go into settings. You need to scroll all the way down to where it says additional settings. Then you need to scroll down and look for accessibility. Click on that. Now on the accessibility menu, turn it on, click OK. The little man will appear in the bottom right hand corner. Now if you press on that, the menu appears. Click on power and you can now restart or power off without using the power button.